All right, thanks a lot. We've got Will here, like you said, from Will's Farm Foods, Will Hughes. We also have Josh here with us once again from Infirmary Health, talking about the big duathlon coming up. Guys, good to see you both.
Great to see you, yeah.
Does this pass the healthy test here, Josh?
I'm looking at some ingredients that do pass the healthy test. It's got grilled chicken here, so those things are good in protein, yeah.
All right, sounds good. We're going to talk all about the big event coming up. But first, Will, let's start with you. What are we actually working on today?
So the first thing we're going to make is an apple-poblano slaw. It's going to have apples, cabbage, a little jicama, some radish, and a lime and oil dressing.
How do you spell jicama?
It's J-I-C-A-M-A.
Nice work.
Yeah, you like that?
You win.
All right.
All right, so we're working on that. Got to start chopping that up while you're doing that. Tell us about Will's Farm Foods.
Well, so the event for the Mobile Duathlon, we're going to have our food truck there. And this is going to be our $5 menu item. So you get two of these tacos for $5, Joe. You coming?
That's an awesome deal. Can't beat it. Definitely going to have to check that out. Now tell us about, you were here last week talking about the duathlon, but for those who missed it, tell us about this event and what it means for Infirmary Health.
Yeah, well, this is our 8th Infirmary Duathlon event. It's going to consist of a 2-mile run in the beginning, transition to a 10-mile bike ride, back to a 2-mile run to finish it off.
Are you seeing? Have you seen that dude slice those apples?
I know, he's a handyman with that knife, is he?
He is. He's doing a good job. I would have lost several fingers by now. All right, so for folks who want to sign up for the duathlon or take part or maybe come out and get some of this great food, what do they need to know?
You can register online at infirmaryduathlon.racesonline.com. Right now, registration fees at a low rate, but it will increase close to the race day. So we encourage you to get on as quick as possible. There's also going to be a 1-mile wellness walk, and that's for free. So if someone doesn't want to actually do the duathlon race, they can just come out and walk with us for free.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Now, I talked to you about, I asked you if this was a healthy meal, and the reason I asked you that is because you are into health and fitness with Infirmary Health. Tell us a little bit about what you do.
So I'm an exercise physiologist. I work with individuals on just creating an activity plan, try to eat the best foods that fuel your workouts for you, and just to live just a great lifestyle, because with that just comes a great digestive system, cardiovascular health, just everything you need for quality of life. And so that is my role.
Everything improves.
Yes, everything.
Everything gets better. All right, so what have you been doing here, Will? You've been going to town.
So I chopped up a little poblano pepper. We took a jicama with a J and peeled this, and then you slice it up and adds a little bit more crunch to the coleslaw. I'm going to take a little potato peeler, and you can just pull this across the top and get these beautiful little rounds of radish. This is going to go in the slaw.
Now, you mentioned that Will's Farm Foods is going to have the food truck out at this event. If someone is interested in finding the Will Farm food truck, you say usually you do more catering and things like that. Tell us how they need to get in contact with you.
So they can find us on Facebook at Will's Farm Foods or Chef Will Hughes. I did have a website. It's not cooperating right now, but you can find us on Facebook. We post when we're going to serve lunch and other events that we've got going on.
All you really need is one source. Facebook will work fine. Go check out the Facebook page and you'll be all good. All right, what do we have here?
All right, so this is a little pickled red onion. This is a solution of sugar, water, and white vinegar. You bring it to a boil, slice the red onion, throw it in there and let it cool down, and then let it sit there for about 30 minutes, and then you add it to the slaw.
Going to be adding a lot of flavor to the whole dish as well. I tell you what, we're going to let you continue to work on this. We'll come back in the second segment, talk more about the duathlon, talk more about this dish, talk more about Will's Farm Foods. It's all good. Guys, how do you feel about Chill Out Day? You like the sound of that?
Love it. I'm ready for it.
Chill out.